Hey, what's up guys, Prabhat here, and I'm here with another episode of Awesome Tech and Gadgets. Make sure to check out our previous episodes if you haven't already. I'm pretty sure you'll find some useful accessories there. With that being said, let's get started with this episode. First up is the Annke Nova S camera. This little security camera here is capable of shooting 1080p videos, has its own cloud service, can be installed easily, and can be used for multiple purposes. For example, monitoring your indoors, your kids and pets, and even for surveillance. It also has two-way audio, meaning you can communicate right from this camera with its app, making it great for monitoring your babies, pets, or your home. The magnetic base can be mounted on any metal surfaces, or else you can mount the provided metal base where you need surveillance. Then you can plug in the USB cable and download its app. The setup process is very easy, just follow the on-screen commands and you are good to go. You can also install a micro SD card just in case if you want to back up your surveillance footages and you don't want to use the cloud service. So if you are looking for a security camera, this camera fits the purpose and it won't hurt your wallet. Also, they do offer other outdoor cameras and bundle packs for all your security needs. I will leave the links in the description. Next up is Zerolemon Solar Power Bank. As the name implies, the main highlight of this power bank is, apart from traditional charging methods, you can also charge this power bank using solar energy through this solar panel. It houses a gigantic 26,800 mAh battery inside that can also be charged via USB-C or micro USB. This power bank is Quick Charge 3.0 compatible, meaning faster charging speeds, and is also water resistant and shockproof. Moreover, you get a panel of LEDs that can be used for torch and SOS for emergency situations. It's really nice that these LEDs have various modes, and with the included hook, you can hang it up for lights or on your backpack while traveling, which is quite thoughtful. All in all, this is a perfect power bank for travelers and adventurous people. Fits in your backpack, charges all kinds of devices simultaneously, and as it uses solar energy, there is no need for power outlet. Next up is a Bluetooth speaker from iClever. The iClever Boost sound is so much more than a speaker. It looks gorgeous with fabric, sleek aluminium, and a spherical design, perfect for your bedside and office as it gives a distinct look to your setup. The soft ambient light adds to its aesthetics and also works like mood lighting. Coming to the sound, the speaker is as good as it looks with punchier bass and detailed low ends. I'm getting around 8 to 10 hours of battery life. Generally, I play the music before sleep and stop it when I wake up. All in all, it's a perfect Bluetooth speaker if you seek both design and sound. Next up is the Symphonized NRG 3.0. This is probably the best earphone you can buy for your money. It's made out of metal and real wood, plus the sound drivers are amazing. The wood used in the earphone enhances your music experience, especially while listening to acoustic music. The package comes with multiple ear tips to fit your ear size and a carrying pouch. Moreover, these earphones has inline controls, which is perfect for calls and music controls. Coming to the sound output, the sound is well balanced with crispier mids and deep bass. All in all, this is a perfect earphone for the price it comes in. Last but not the least is the Haiyu translator. This is a handy little gadget that lets you translate language with the push of a button. The good thing is that it even understands slangs and idioms so that it can be pretty accurate.
How is the business going?
生意怎么样？
谢谢.
Thank you.
This gadget will translate speech to speech, so it's pretty easy talking to a person that speaks a foreign language. Right now, it only supports English, Mandarin, and Cantonese, but more language support will come soon with the update. You will need the app and connect it via Bluetooth. It uses Bluetooth 4.2 technology, which means faster data delivery during speech translation. All in all, it's a nifty gadget that will come in very handy when you are traveling abroad or have to communicate with foreign people. So that was it for this video guys. I hope you found some useful accessories here. We will be coming up with the next episode pretty soon, so stay tuned and I will catch you guys in the next one.